Hi guys, I want to test my GoPro 13 whether I can Bluetooth connect it to my Sena SRL, which is part of my Neotech 2. So let's pair it on.
Preparing headset. Hello.
And to pair it, I need to hold the middle button pressed.
Intercom pairing.
Until it says this.
Configuration menu.
And then hit
Phone
plus.
pairing.
And then on the GoPro 13, pair on, slide down and left and to pair and wait for the device to come up. In my case, should say SRL Neotech, and hit the plus, and then hit back and it connects up. One, two, test. One. 1, 2, test. 1. Testing volume. 1, 2, 1, 2. Alright, I'm about 5 meters away. 1, 2, test. About 10 meters away. Can you still hear me? What's the sound quality like? Here we go. This helmet is completely shut, air vents shut. It's a bit noisy, it's a bit windy, so it's a bit noisy in my helmet. I'm not sure if you can hear the motorbike sound or just my voice. I'm curious what the noise suppression is like with the Sena SRL for the Joey Neotech 2 helmet, 60 k's an hour. I picked this road because I know it's gonna turn into 100 k's an hour, so we can test it up to 100 kilometers an hour, which is about 60 miles an hour. There you go, 100 kilometers an hour, and it's a bit windy. Can you hear my voice? Sena SRL system is Bluetooth connected with the GoPro 13. That will be handy because then I don't have to use my DJI mic in my helmet. One, two, three. How's this noise? How's this sound? I'm gonna keep the bike fairly revved up to see the actual performance of the mic in a very noisy environment. Here we go. Let's go down to the third gear. Oh, that's noisy. What was the quality like? Let's do a test. I'm just gonna move the camera. It's on my chest facing forward, and we can try. There we go. Don't you love the GoPro's clip-on mount? So easy to move it from one to another. Just squeeze the two tabs and comes right off. All right, let's see how it sounds like now. How was that? Could you hear the bike scream or not? Alright, after this roundabout, I'm gonna open my helmet to see if I can hear my voice any. Alright, let's see, 100 kilometers an hour. I'm gonna open my visor. Okay, Jesus. Oh, what's the sound like? Feels like I'm skydiving with the visor open 100 k's an hour. Oh my god, I have to shut it. 1, 2, 1, 2, test. There's no way you can hear my voice right now in any good quality. It's so noisy, I can't hear myself. Never mind, I'll find someone like you.
Okay, my conclusion is that the Sena SRL mic works better with the GoPro 13 over Bluetooth than it works with GoPro 12. However, quality wise is still not great. It's muffled, it's doing a really good job to block the noise environment, isolate the voice fairly good. However, the voice quality is not that great. So that's where DJI Mic 2 exceeds this. As soon as I hit a little bit of speed, 80, 100 kilometers an hour, it struggled big time. Let me know your thoughts. Have you tried this? Have you had better success? Have you got quite a helmet? I'm interested to see your comments. See you guys. Bye.